Here you will learn about Enterprise Plus Ultimate plan details, both what are the offers during 2025 and 2024 and the latest features in current year. In 2025, they are offering at the price of 2.5 lakh plus GST. The regular price is 4.6 lakhs plus GST. So during the Black Friday deal, you will get at this price on 28th October, 28th November. During the Black Friday deal on 28th November, you will get this price. Extra 5% you will get on early bird offer on 21st November. So friends, don't miss. Moreover, in this current year, they are providing some bonuses, especially AI Pista. There you can get the 6 ChatGPT or AI models at a time. You can select the best output from a single query. That is AI Pista. Spark is like AI Reels. Inside the TagMango platform, there will be Spark where your students can upload videos and share the videos inside the platform. So it is for the quarter, friends, not for entire year. Only 3 months you will get this feature. After that, you have to pay for the box. When it comes to 2024, the regular price is 4.6 lakhs plus GST. At that time, they offered 2.45 lakh plus GST. If we compare the differences, there is a price point of 5,000. Moreover, some bonuses. Spox and AIP is the latest one. These are pricing structure for new members. If you are a new member and you want to start your journey directly without having any basic plans like Freedom, Enterprise. If you are a very fresh, then you will get Enterprise plus Ultimate at this price structure. If you are an existing member of TagMango who are using Enterprise setup, then you will get Ultimate plan for renewal at the price of 2.35 lakh plus GST. So this is the offer they are mentioning. For existing members also, you will get these bonuses. When it comes to features, friends, I'm directly explaining the features after who have watched advanced plan video. So if you want to know each and every feature, start the enterprise plan first that I have given the video in the channel. Then watch the advanced plan. Then watch this one. So who are in ultimate plan, you will get the all features, including enterprise plans, advanced plans, and new features. So ultimate is the top one in the TagMango. It is a yearly plan. You have to renewal each and everything. So there are a level of features. One is the best feature, then link up features and council meetings. These three differentiate advanced and ultimate along with some commission. So here we have some commission like payment commission. You can see here they are mentioning payment commission of 1.5% for payment gateway charges and 5% for international charges. So friends, I want to clear this one. Friends, if you observe the screen, it is my dashboard. Right now I'm using. If you see here, there is a 0% commission, but they will charge you Indian payment gateway charges of 0.95. Here commission means where TagMango takes from you. If you see here, enterprise or freedom plan, they will charge flat 10% commission. But in ultimate plan, TagMango doesn't take any commission. But Indian payment gateways take 0.95% on payment. Suppose you have sold 10,000 product, then they will charge you 0.95. Right now, the price is changed. When it comes to international, they are charging 4.5. It is my plan. It is continuous for me because I have joined earlier. Right now, they completely changed the commission. Payment gateway charges they have increased to 1.5%, but in my dashboard it is showing 0.95%. Almost 55 pies they increased. International payment also they have increased 50 pies. So friends, this is the enhancement when compared to existing members or new members that you can make for complete level of features. I have made one beautiful video. You can check there. Just I will wrap up this video very fast. So habit tracker and progress anybody can check. Level up checkups that you can check in the video. Connect. Friends, I will show you this connect TU level up tasks. You can check there. Level up challenges. You can check there in the video. Level up achievements also I have explained clearly in that video. Level up certification also explained clearly. Level up data collection also explained in that video. Council members means friends they will conduct monthly one group call with top coaches or industry renowned persons. Right now I have attended some calls with Nitin Kamath, Ankur Wariko, Razorpay Head. Different persons have come and addressed some of the queries of TagMango users. So like that, we can get some inputs from the industry experts directly. When it comes to connect features or link up features, I will explain you. So friends, in the dashboard partnership, link up feature is there. Link up or connect means here every user who has this type of ultimate plan, you will get the PCK. So if you want to add connection, you should get the names and PCK keyword. So very simple. You can designate that another coach and ask his PCK code and paste here, verify and add. So then you both coaches can cross sell your membership directly. So it is a automation, friends. Both you can come on some terms of conditions. Let us assume 20% commission you will get. Suppose your price is L1 price is 5,000 and you would like to give 20% commission, then that person who sold your membership will get 1,000 rupees. It will be automated and you can transfer that money through the system established in this link up feature. So friends, thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.